face, I don't
What's for tea? Are we gonna have pizza? Oh, what are we gonna have for tea? Hindi ko pa alam kung anong tea namin, guys.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself.
Biro ko si Zach. You wanna step, Mom? Binibiro ko siya kasi ewan ko bakit kami napunta doon. Holly! Kuya Zach wants step, Mom. Kasi tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, do you wanna have a step, Mom? Tapos, nag-ano siya, nag-isip siya 2 beses. Tapos si Kuya said, no, I don't want to. And then siya, kanina hinahag niya ako. Iyon ko daw siya. Guys, Zachary wants a step, Mom. I'm not, I'm crying. Yes, I'm crying. No. I'm not faking. Look at my tears. It's coming out now. Umiyak talaga ako parang.
Mama, stop fighting!
Zachary,
You're
what is
lying.
that?
No, I don't. I never said yes.
But you had a second thought kasi nag-isip talaga siya. Ang tagal niya mag-isip ko yung nagsabing no.
Mama, stop crying! Mom, can I stop crying, please? Look, Mom's just a joke.
I'm not.
And then I'm cold, you're sweating.
Pag pinapatay ko, lumalapit siya sa salvi niya. Hug me.
I don't want
wanna-
to the fight.
Kuya Zach wanna step, Mom.
Mom, I never said yes.
But you had a second thought, like, you were thinking, like,
Thinking means no yes.
no, Kuya Tia said no right away when I asked, bakit kaya kami napunta doon? Basta may topic lang siya. Isa sa classmate niya pala. Ni Kuya yata o sa kanya. Tapos yun na lang, nagtanong lang ako. Sabi ko, do you want to have a stepmom?
No, I don't.
Tapos, nag-isip talaga siya.
I don't want you to fight.
Zachary wants a stepmom.
Mom.
Baka makitaan niyo na ako.
What?
You didn't think something.
He wants a stepmom.
I don't.
What's it look like?
I never said I don't.
Go, Shabba, get ready.
You're lying. You're just kidding.
So we're not having pizza?
No. Near Tito Dan's house.
Not Farhan? That's far. Kain daw kami sa ano. Nakainan na namin yung dati.
Hi, Mom.
Sinusuyo niya pala. Wow.
What's up for a minute? Give me that.
Why?
Because I want to tell you something.
Well, tell me. Why? You guys tell me that you want a stepmom? Don't touch the lens. Kuya, do you want a stepmom, Kuya?
No.
You see?
I don't want one.
Kanina niya pa ako sinusuyo.
I don't want.
You want a stepmom?
I never said I want.
Yeah, you never said, but you were thinking and then you were smiling. You don't know how hurt I am right now.
No fighting.
I'm not seeing my tears. It's coming out. I'm not gonna hug you. You hurt my heart. Kanina pa siya ganito.
Mom!
Make sure, if you're gonna have a stepmom, make sure she knows how to cook, okay? Huh? Make sure she knows how to cook.
I don't want one.
Hindi na ako makahinga. Ang bigat-bigat niya, guys. Pinapanindigan ko itong gawa ko. Where I'm going? What are you doing? You're gonna hurt me so that you can find another mom? Yan, nahulog na ako sa kama. Babalian yata talaga. You're gonna break my leg, so what? Why you hurting me now, huh?
Mom.
I'm gonna ring my mom in the Philippines and tell her about what you said to me. Real to Lola. You know that I don't have family here.
She does.
Yeah, you're my family, but you wanna stay? Alam mo, kikitaan niya na ako.
I don't want one, Mom.
Napatay niya lagi yung camera,
Don't want a
guys.
stepmom, Mom.
Hindi ko talaga siya kinikibo. Lagi niyang pinapatay yung camera, guys. May sasabihin daw siya sa akin, oh.
Saying I don't want one. So listen.
Oh,
I don't want a stepmom.
wow. It sounds like you want it before in the car.
No, I didn't.
Why you didn't answer right away when I asked you? It's like you were thinking that you want one.
I don't want one.
No, don't turn it off.
Why?
So my mom can see this. Your Lola. Ayan na naman kayo. Papa will see this.
Mom. Mom.
My heart is aching right now, Zachary.
Mom. I don't want one. Please stop.
You say it now because you see me like this.
No, I don't want one.
And then your dad said, what your dad said? Huh? What? What?
Mom, I don't want one.
But what your dad said before? Huh?
Say, guy, get in there. Can you have a shack?
No.
Okay.
Mom.
Don't video me. Thank you.
Yeah, video.
Zachary, just let her lie.
She's just faking. So what?
Naliligo na si Kuya. Alis daw kami, guys.
Where's Zach falling?
Magdi-dinner daw kami doon. Malapit sa ano yun. Malapit yun doon kila ano. Kila Race. Did you ring that? Did you ring that?
No, what?
No. Because why we're gonna have tea there?
Why not? It's good pub.
Oh, doon ako yung magdi-dinner, guys. Masarap din kasi doon. Siguro ordering ko yung chicken.
Mom, let's go.
It's just us?
Where's the brush?
Ah, brush. Kami lang pala. My brush? Where's my brush?
Where's the airbrush? Why didn't you bring airbrush?
Ah, I didn't bring your brush. I have my brush. Where's my brush?
Yeah.
Hello, where's my brush, Holly? Hanapin ko na yung brush.
Mom!
Hindi pa kami tapos.
Mom!
I don't wanna hug you. Pinipilit niya akong
I
i-hug ko
never
siya.
said
Nice, honey.
I never said I want to step, Mom.
But you didn't answer right away. That's the point. It's like you were thinking that you want one.
Still means I'm thinking means yes or no, and I wanted to say no.
No, if you really don't want to step, you will answer no, like Kuya TJ. But what you did was you were thinking so long. No.
Mom, it was only 10 seconds.
See, but Kuya TJ, when I asked you, I said no, I don't want to step, but you were thinking like, it's like you want one. Make sure she knows how to cook, okay? And make sure she's beautiful.
Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful, Zach.
Sinasat yun din ang aking drama dito.
Now.
Go have a shower. Ay, ibang video na lang to, guys. Isa-separate ko to. Maligo ka na. Daddy said, have a shower. Go, have a shower. And then make... I'm not gonna hug you. I'm still hurt. No. Go have a shower. No, I'm not gonna hug you. I'm not gonna hug you. Tonight, find your stepmom, okay? Tonight. Go.
Mom.
You're hurting me, Zachary.
Zachary, get in the shower,
Get
hurry
in the
up.
shower. Pagdadalitan ka na.
Mom.
Go have a shower.
Mom.
You
Just stop.
Hey.
Zachary, now.
No.
Zachary, hurry up.
Can I need washing, Mom?
No, I don't need lotion.
Mommy.
Come on, Zach. Go. I say go. Zach's coming in now, let it go.
I'm not gonna have a shower.
Zachary, get in the shower and hurry up. Take your clothes off, pick them up.
Hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta. Sa shower o sa akin o yung galit ng papa niya. Isa-separate ko na lang to. Ito yung drama ko kay Zach. First time ko tong gawin kay Zach. Ligo siya and then siya yung nagbisa sa sarili niya. Mali yung pants niya, oh. Baliktad. Excuse me.
Look at my hair.
Are you ready, Baba? Ready na si Holly.
Dad, I'm ready.
Excuse me.
Are you gonna put your hair
I'm
up?
not gonna hug you.
Why? Where's your socks, my love?
I don't want to step like that.
You need shoes, sweetie pie.
Holly, come on. Holly, come on.
Yay!
You smell, mommy?
Yes, it's so good.
Okay.
Mom,
What?
hug me.
No, I'm not gonna hug you. Go to your dad because you're gonna have a stepmom.
Oh
Go hug your dad.
Yeah.
Wow.
Zachary,
no.
come here. That bit there, see that bit hanging? That's got to go over there too. Gel. Put in there.
Yan na yung nag-ano sa kanyang sarili, oh.
Done.
You're done. Good job, Baba.
Properly. You've got to put some on the back there. Who else fight?
I can lift you.
You look good. Are you gonna meet your stepmom outside? Are you gonna meet your stepmom? Huh? No, excuse me.
And TJ, signal that up which you made there.
Come on, we're going.
Zachary, stop it.
Hug me.
No, I'm not gonna hug you. Why I'm gonna hug you? You want a stepmom? Wait, why are you bringing your bag, Baba?
You don't need that.
So, alis na tayo, guys. And yung isa parang tuko. Parang tuko siya. Excuse me. Is it enough? I-check ko ulit. Mahilig siya.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't recognize.
Tell me who you see, 'cause